So today we are going to be telling you how to install mods to SA2. So basically, first thing you want to do is you're going to want to go to Google Chrome and search up Sonic Retro SA2 Mod Loader. Search that up and go to SA2 Mod Loader, Sonic Retro. Then what you're going to want to do is go to download SA2 Mod Loader. It's basically going to download it on your computer. It doesn't matter where you install it to, but yeah. Then after you do that, you're going to want to exit out of there. And then you're going to want to go to Steam. And then you're going to want to go right click on Sonic Adventure 2. Then you're going to want to go to browse local files. And you're going to want to open this up. Or no, do this. But, yeah. And after that, you're going to want to hold up, what the heck? Okay. This might take a while, but let me do this in order. So first of all, you're going to want to go to your SA2 mod loader file, and you're going to want to open that up in WinRAR. And basically, you're going to want to copy, hold up. You're going to want to copy all of these files. And then once you do that, you're going to want to do that, window it out, and then you're going to want to go to Steam, do that same thing, browse local files, stuff like that. Sorry for taking so long to get to that part. I just had to take a little while. But, yeah, and then you're going to want to do this. And then after that, you would normally drag this into here, but I already have that into here, so I'm not going to mess the game up. And then you're going to want to exit out of here. And now you have SA2 Mod Loader. You're not going to have SA2 Randomizer because you're going to have to install mods into here. I will have to make a tutorial of how to add mods to this. But right now, you have all these codes you can use. Like, you can disable Almo Chow, all emeralds trackable in treasure hunt stages. But, like, you see what I mean. Like, instant spin dash, like how it was in SA1. And low time, max score, hold Y for super turbo, hold A for super jump. But you get what I mean. And then after you choose the code you want to play on, you would click save and play. And I'm not going to do that because I don't really have a way of showing, I do have a way of showing footage. I just don't want this footage to be like bad and then I have to exit the game while I'm on footage. But after you choose the codes you want to, and when you're choosing the codes, check the boxes. But when you're done, click save and play. So that was this tutorial. I hope you guys like this tutorial. And yeah, bye.